Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. Today I'm going to show you how to delete apps from your desktop on a Mac. If you've added apps to your MacBook desktop and now want to get rid of them, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, it's important to understand that when you have an app icon on your desktop, it's technically just a shortcut to the app. So when you remove it from the desktop, you're only deleting the shortcut, not the app itself. Let's get started. The simplest way to remove an app icon from your desktop is to drag it to the trash. Just click on the app icon and drag it over to the trash can in your dock. Once you release it, the shortcut will disappear from your desktop. Alternatively, you can right-click on the app icon and then click on Move to Trash from the context menu. This achieves the same result, removing the shortcut from your desktop. Now, if you want to completely uninstall the application from your Mac, you need to go a step further. Open Finder and in the left panel, tap on the applications icon. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your Mac. Find the app you want to uninstall, click on it, and drag it to the trash. This will delete the app from your system entirely. Remember, once you've moved the app to the trash, you can empty the trash to permanently delete the app from your Mac. Just right-click on the trash can and select Empty Trash. And that's it. Now you know how to delete app shortcuts from your desktop and completely uninstall apps from your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.